In this video, we will learn to read a character from a buffer reader by calling its function read. Each time that read function is called, it reads a character from the input stream and returns it as an integer value. It returns -1 when an attempt is made to read at the end of the stream. Our program will read characters from the console until the user types a character X. In our main function, we will write the code, but before that I need to import Java IO package. And in our main class, I will create a buffer reader using system.in so we can read characters from the console. Create a object of new buffer reader and pass in new input stream reader and pass in system.in. So because we are reading from console, we need to also catch these actions such as IOception. Let you try surround this code with try catch block. And inside the catch block, I will call stack print trace. Print stack trace. Print stack trace. And now back to our reading. And now I will declare a variable string type string and message. That will be our message to user. Enter characters. Please enter characters and X to quit. Now I will use system.out.println to print this message. System.out.println and print our message so user can enter character. They can keep on entering the characters until they enter X to quit this program. We need do while loop for this to read characters. So we're gonna do, and over here upload declare some car variable car C, and over here in our do while we can do C equals to car, convert the input into character, and buff dot read, and then system dot out dot print line, so we keep print our characters that we are reading in. And then over here we need to check in while our input character C is not equals to character X, then we will keep on looping and read a character from the console. Now we just need to run our program. Over here, print stack trace, remove our errors. Now run our program. Now over here in console we are asking for characters, so I will enter characters A, B, C, A, B, C, and you can see buffer reader read our character one by one from a console. So this way you can use buffer reader to read a character from console. To learn more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep supporting us. Thank you for watching.